Hello there and welcome back for a new English lesson. In this video, we are going to have a pronunciation practice through reading comprehension. I strongly believe that a lot of students struggle with speaking fast in English, and I know that this is a process that all English learners go through. And in this video, I would like to help you improve your English pronunciation. But firstly, allow me to share with you about 3 aspects that I personally think it's nice to take into account when you speak in English. 1. Make people understand you. Sometimes we need to exaggerate the sounds because we, as Spanish speakers, are not used to producing some English sounds. For example, the words think, soldier, that, internet. So for this, you can read aloud. This will strengthen your muscles for the accent. It is said that it takes about 3 months of a daily practice to develop strong mouth muscles for speaking with a new accent. So you have to work, exaggerate your pronunciation so that even if you are tired, your accent is not affected. Number 2. Avoid embarrassing mistakes. I know sometimes it could be funny when you make an embarrassing situation because of a misunderstood word. And I bet that more than once you have been in an embarrassing situation because of this. You didn't pronounce the English word correct. Number 3. Improve your self-confidence when you speak. Right? You feel confidence, natural and elegant when you speak in English, because English is the beautiful language around the world. Probably, I hope to convince you to practice more pronunciation and accent in English. And you may ask, how can I improve my accent and my pronunciation in English? You can record yourself, imitating native speakers. It works if you record yourself. For that reason, guys, you're about to listen to a passage. Then you will try to produce the same pronunciation. What I mean is that in this video, you can compare your recordings with the teacher recording until you get it right. Now, let's listen to the first passage. 1, 2, and here we go. Listening comprehension. Information technology. Develop your listening skill. Listen to the following text about information technology. Then, answer the comprehension questions below. What is information technology? Information technology, IT, is the application of computers and internet to store, retrieve, transmit, and manipulate information, often in the context of a business or other enterprise. IT is considered a subset of information and communications technology, ICT, and has evolved according to the needs. It is worthwhile noting that the term IT is commonly used as a synonym for computers and computer networks, but it also encompasses other information distribution technologies such as television and telephones. Several industries are associated with information technology, including computer hardware, software, electronics, semiconductors, internet, telecom equipment, engineering, healthcare, e-commerce, and computer services. Thanks to the continuous development of computers, the original computer systems became mini-computers, and later personal computers took the lead. Nowadays, mobile phones are dethroning the personal computer, and computing is evolving faster to become disembodied and more like a cloud, becoming accessible more easily whenever needed. Information technology has transformed people and companies and has allowed digital technology to influence society and economy alike. It has, in this sense, shaped societies and adapted itself to people's needs. History. If you want a brief history of information technology, here is one. Humans were the first computers. Then, machines were invented to carry out the computational tasks. Now, these machines has given way to new form of information technology. Information has become disembodied accessible from anywhere through cloud technology. Recent advances in IT is the consequence of development in computer systems. Humans has been storing, retrieving, manipulating, and communicating information since the Sumerians in Mesopotamia developed writing in about 3000 BC. But the term information technology, in its modern sense, first appeared in 1958, article published in the Hardware Business Review. Authors Harold J. Levitt and Thomas L. Wishler commented that the new technology does not yet have a single established name. We shall call it information technology, IT. Their definition consists of three categories: techniques for processing, the application of statistical and mathematical methods to decision making, and the simulation of higher order thinking through computer programs. Alright, after that we have listened to the passage, then you can go back and listen to many times as you need just to be sure that you are imitating the pronunciation and accent correctly. Then you can come here to record the questions with the corresponding answers. Great. The first question is, information technology is changing principally because of A or B. Number 2. According to the author, the first computers were A or B. 3. Development of information technology is the result of A or B. And the last one, computer systems are taking the form of clouds means A or B. It says record the questions and their corresponding answers, guys. Okay? Now let's go to the next slide. This is the second passage to have the pronunciation practiced. Directions. Read the following passage and answer the comprehensive questions below. Then, record your voice while reading the whole passage with the corresponding questions and answers. Okay, students, now I'm going to show you the second passage. As the direction says, you're going to read as many times you need as the times as necessary for you to improve your pronunciation and accent. When you're done, you're going to record this passage, as well the questions and answers. This work is going to be, well, the two documents or the two passages are going to be included in a PPT work, and you are going to send it by the platform or by my email. Okay, people, here we go. This is the second passage. You can take a screenshot for you to have an easier lecture. Okay, this is the first part and the second part is here. Alright, so this is all for today, people. See you next time. Bye bye.